We're all super excited to actually receive the piece, and of course the fact that all the due diligence and work that we put into it to getting it here safely, to finally have the confirmation that it did arrive intact and without issue. And now we're stepping into doing a full documentation, what we can interpret from the piece, from the exterior, from the surface, using magnification, using different types of light sources on basically the light spectrum, from ultraviolet to infrared to raking light, to try to understand as much as we can the physical history that's present and interpretable. And currently we're actually x-raying the piece so we can actually see through it, try to reveal the types of joins so that we can understand the ancient manufacture, the alteration during burial, and then of course historic restorations, to try to basically, it sounds a little silly, but to sort of go through, to excavate this piece theoretically, to try to understand all the different strata that are there and to understand what they may belong or pertain to and what influences the other. And this is preceding a more diagnostic analysis, where we'll actually, right now we're in the process of trying to again understand the history so we can better target, better refine the questions we're asking of the piece, but better target the analysis that we'll be doing, starting with non-destructive to understand the surface, to understand the different materials that are present, and then from there potentially to then take specific samples, what would be a little bit more of an invasive technique, to try to fully understand questions related to antiquity as well as the history of the piece, and then specifically for conservation, what are the issues here and how can we resolve them to preserve this piece in perpetuity but with as little alteration as possible.